Depot, but I'll tell you right now that I'll have to probably put a song over this because there's music playing in the background. But OMG, I wasn't gonna record, but when I saw their stock, I'm like, okay, I'm gonna have to. So many beautiful plants. Look at this one. This is from Costa Farms, I believe. Yes. And that's $8.98. That's a type of agave. Then they have the flapjacks. And I believe this might be the variegated one. Look at these. So cute. I love when they come in threes. So beautiful. They have this one, which I have. But yeah, obviously they have no names. Usually Costa Farm does not have any names. But look at this stock. They have a lot in stock. Oh gosh, look at that. So many beauties. And I believe, oh my gosh, I don't have this. This is such a unique plant that you normally would not find. And look, so nice. I believe I've seen this on Instagram. So this one is coming with me. Look, there's more. There's more. And then look at that rainbow burst. Look at those. And I like them when they're in threes. I'm like having a heart attack here. I believe I don't have this one either. So, oh, look, we got a straggler. He's staying on there though. Oh gosh. So let me, I'm gonna pick some out because I really like these. And then look at these. You get them in threes. This one has two. Well, it has three. I don't know what happened. I guess someone bumped the tray. This one's really nice. But they have some really nice stuff. I can't believe this. Look at that. Look at that. That is awesome. That is awesome. Awesome. And I believe these were here already. You guys seen these? Yep, you guys seen these already. This is a type of Puntia, I'm pretty sure. A Puntia Monacan or something like that. I'm so excited, guys, to have found those plants. Let me go over there and show you. And then the arrangements that they have over there. Oh, watch. When you guys see those. Hanging baskets, a lot of banana ones and moon cactuses. Lots of nice plants. Horthias, tiberias. I'm excited though about those unique plants. But I see over there. Okay, so we've seen these arrangements. What's going on with those? Are they falling over? Look at these. These, I guess, maybe just came in and they're going to put them out. Look at that one down there. Okay, let's see. I believe you guys seen all these already. Showed you these. They were here when I came. Don't forget to look underneath, guys. Because there's some nice plants hiding under there. Some trailing jade. Some of the cinnamon one. That's the chocolate one, I believe. Let's see. Yep, that's the chocolate soldier, and some leaves just fell out of it. And then this is the... See, let me look at this. See, this is a Graptopetalum. This is the same one that I have. And I guess it grows different in different conditions. That purple looking one, it's not the ghost plant. Because the ghost plant looks different. I mean, similar, but the color is different. Let me show you over here, guys. Wait until you see these cute guys. Look at how cute. Look at the little piggy. That one's $10. Super cute. Look at the turtle. So cute, guys. No, I'm sorry. Nuh-uh, that's 20. That's 20. And the turtle is 18. And they have this cute rooster. And elephants. These those are 20, but then they start going up in price. Let me see the elephant. Yeah, the elephant's 30, and then they have a cute donkey. Here's the donkey. So cute. The donkey is 40. Super cute. And look at the giant pig. The giant pig is 40. And then we have a beautiful big swan. Like, really? I love that. $70. It's pretty nice. And let's go check the other one. Come to this section. This is where the perennials are, and you'll see like a lot of the green sedum. And then here's trailing jade, and this is the $2.98 right here. And they don't look too good. They've been getting a lot of that rain because here on this side they're not covered, they're exposed. So yeah. And then over here you'll find some of the trays, so you can make your own little arrangement. Sometimes they'll have other arrangements as well. And then here's some of this beautiful sedum. I like this one. So pretty. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna let you guys go. I'm gonna go pick out my plants. Thank you guys so much for watching. You guys have a blessed day. Bye, guys.